Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys some basics on the R.E.P.O or REPO or however you want to say it game. So here I'll show you a little bit on how to do stuff. So to run, obviously press shift. To hide under tables, just press control and hide here. You can also press Q if you want to become a CCTV here. There is one, you can also jump by pressing spacebar. You can run, shift, and press control to glide. You can also, here I'll show you again, run, shift, and then Q. This is like if you want to like roll, I guess. So to grab stuff, just press your mouse, your left mouse, and you're just going to start walking. Let me just open the door here. You can kind of, okay, don't do it like that because you'll not be able to see monsters. Okay, so to look at the map, just press tab and you'll be able to know like where everything is. So the blue area here on the left, the square one, is the extraction point. You'll just need to find some stuff. Sometimes you'll not be able to find stuff on the map and you'll be able to see it by like opening stuff like fridges, shelves. So here, let's just open everything. Oops, there's nothing. Oh, never mind, there's, okay. So to grab the items, just press your mouse button and kind of move it up a little and scroll to move it towards you. And you're just going to, sorry, I thought I heard something. You're just going to put it in your, what? Did I not put it in? Oh my, well, I dropped it. But it's not glass, so it's fine. I heard something. Just put it in there. And yeah, that's pretty much the basics of this game. I'm not going to go further. But, oh, by the way, if you're done, you're just going to go to the extraction point and you're going to place it here. Make sure you're not on the extraction point. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.